So to make the first DIY, here we have taken a 5 centimeter radius circle and we have made total 6 like these. We are going to cover it with different color sheets, apply glue gun and also make some design. We are making only dots on its circumference and we have also attached a lace. And now similarly we will do it with all other. And then here we have taken LED lights and we are going to attach it with glue gun in the center like this. Using masking tape we are going to stick it on the wall. So like this we are going to stick it on the wall and this cute and amazing Diwali DIY is ready. So let's move ahead on our next DIY. So for our next DIY, here we have taken a glitter sheet. We are firstly going to write Shubh Labh on it. We are using silver glitter sheet. Write it and now we are going to cut it. Make sure that you cut all the excess part like this. So we are going to cut it. So now we have covered it with purple sheet and attached it and also made some silver dots. Now we are going to attach a pearl lace on it. This is ready. For our next DIY, here we have taken a round candle and we are going to stick it in the center of the cardboard. Like this we are going to stick it first. Now on the sides we are going to stick it all our pista shells. So like this we are going to stick pista shells all over it. One by one we are going to stick it. Make it full like this. So now we have attached all our pista shells and now we are going to paint it with orange paint. So like this, cover it whole with paint and this is also ready. So let's move ahead on our last DIY, which is the most beautiful one. For this, here we have taken a cardboard piece. We are going to roll it around like this, attach glue gun and cover it with satin orange ribbon like this. Cover it whole. Now here we have taken a pink chart paper and we are going to make 2 rolls. We are going to roll it for our arms like this. Here we have inserted a wire into it and we are going to put those 2 on it. Take peach ribbon and make its arms like this. Here we have taken an orange cloth, attach lace to it to make the frock of the doll and attach it also with the body. Here we have taken molded clay, attach a square for the support. Paint it with skin color, make the hair with black color and make some features like eyes, nose, lips, eyebrows. Using black pen I am making it and then make lips. Attach a lace to make it more beautiful and this is also ready. Now we are going to give it a dupatta on its head and pearl lace as necklace. So this is ready. We are going to attach the candle on her hands. So this is also ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take a goodbye.